Good evening and namaste to each and everyone present. Welcome. This evening we've titled Ibadat, Music for the Divine. We are now doing devotional music in Sufiana style, in Sufiana Andaz, as if. So in that sense, as Sri Aurobindo says, music is one of the best mediums to connect with the divine. And he has said many things about how Sufi and Vaishnav poetry together, these kind of represent mystic ways to connect with the divine. And when that kind of poetry is put to music, to Indian music, where music has been a way to connect with the divine, we have seen all kinds of diversity coming across. So with that intention, we thought, why not take the devotional music and do it in this style? I just want us to recall one meeting that the mother had with one great Indian Sufi mystic and a musician, Hazrat Inayat Khan, in 1912. And she recounted that conversation here in 1950s, where she talked about how Sufis have talked about not only connecting with the divine or adoring the divine or surrendering to the divine, but they even speak of a state where there is no distinction between the adorer, the devotee, and the beloved. And music, Hazrat Inayat Khan had written in one of his books, that music is the way that helps bridge that gap. So with this great cultural heritage that we have, this is one other way for us to celebrate and to be grateful to Mother India to give us this kind of beauty all around. So welcome all of you once again, and welcome all music lovers.
The history of Sufi music goes back many centuries. It began with the devotional practices of Sufi mystics across the Muslim world, whose aim was to connect with the divine through music, chanting, and movement. Well-known forms of Sufi include Qawwali in the India-Pakistan region, popularized by Amir Khusro, and the Mevlevi Sama of Turkey, associated with the whirling dervishes. Over time, Sufi music absorbed local musical traditions and gradually reached a global audience. At its heart, Sufism places strong emphasis on love for God and the longing for spiritual union. Poetry and music were used from early times by great mystics, including the Persian poet Rumi in the 13th century. And then onwards, Sufi saints flourished under the Delhi Sultanate. Between the 17th and 20th centuries, Sufi music continued to spread and take on new forms. It traveled through Central Asia into India and influenced the cultural life of the Mughal courts. Basically, Sufi music is an inspiration by poets and mystics who emphasize love for the divine, a spiritual yearning, a journey to dissolve the ego, and finally, absolute union with the divine, the ultimate merging. They believe in this kind of a fana. You see, basically, Sufi, what is Ali or Allah or Mawla? It's an impersonal God. Nirgun Brahma jo hum bolte hain na. So it doesn't have a form. They don't have a form. So they have a formless divine where they go, right? But then over the years, the changes that have come upon, and it happens. I'm talking about one of the poets whose song we are going to take up, and I thought we must put it in our program because I could never have thought that they could write on Lord Krishna. It's a Sufi kalam, it's a Sufi bhajan, sung in Pakistan, but it's on Sri Krishna. So they have also partly perhaps taken to the form to go to the formless. That's a very important thing I felt. We are starting with a song from Amir Khusro, right? He was a Sufi singer, poet, and scholar of the 13th and 14th centuries, living more than 1,000 years ago. Now, Amir Khusro served as a musician under the Delhi Sultanate and made a remarkable contribution to Hindustani classical music. As we know, he is widely regarded as the father of Qawwali. From the Sufi tradition emerged Qawwali and also Tarana. Amir Khusro beautifully blended Persian, Turkish, and Arabic traditions in his music and poetry, to the extent that the song that's going to be sung, I will speak a line, but none of you or me will understand the meaning. But it's a famous one, so I have chosen that. Khabram Rashidi Imshab ki nigar khwahi Ahmad, Sareman Fidaye Rahe ki sawar khwahi Ahmad. It's pure Persian. The essence of these couplets is the description of the ecstasy felt after the experience of self-annihilation. There, you see, this merging, union with the divine, about which even Mother has spoken in Sufism. So this self-annihilation or merger with the divine, it's a very beautiful composition in Rag Bhageshri. It's being sung by a buland voice in my team. This is Kamalini Reena singing this.
बलबम रशीदा जानम तू बिया की जिंदा मानम बलबम रशीदा जानम तू बिया के जिंदा मानम बस जान के मन्ना मानम बस जान के मन्ना मानम बचकार ख्वाहियामत बस जान के मन्ना मानम बचकार ख्वाहियामत खबरम रशीदाइम शब के निगार ख्वाहियामत सरे मन फिदाए नाए के सवार ख्वाहियामत खबरम रशीदा
That was a real Sufi voice that presented the first Khabram Rashidi. The second artist is Arjita. She's singing a song called Noor-e Ilahi. Noor-e Ilahi means light of the divine. It's an Arabic origin phrase. This Sufi kalam refers to spiritual enlightenment, guidance, or radiance believed to emanate from the divine. It's an expression of love and peace all through. loved and widely performed. It appears in Bollywood films, on global music platforms, and is heard both in sacred shrines and in concert halls, while still retaining its spiritual depth. The next song is Arziyan, and all of you know it, and if you want to sing along with all of us, you're most welcome. Absolutely. It's a spiritual yearning, a journey to dissolve the ego and achieve union with God. It's a very popular Bollywood number with lovely, lovely words. I love these words. Darare, darare hai mathe pe मौला, मरम्मत मुकद्दर की कर दो मौला. What words! मरम्मत मुकद्दर की मरम्मत की जाती है, पर की जाती है, भगवान करते हैं. It's a lovely song. Is being sung by basically Uttam and Yogi. Yogi and Uttam, and I think we are also going to take part. You all take part, Mola Mola part, all of you.
अर्ज़ियाँ सारी मैं चेहरे पे लिख के लाया हूँ.
तुमसे क्या मांगूं मैं, तुम खुद ही समझ लो.
मौला 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 मेरे मौला.
मौला 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 मेरे मौला. मौला 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 मौला.
मौला 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 मौला.
दरारे दरारे हैं माथे पे मौला, मरम्मत मुकद्दर की कर दो मौला मेरे मौला. दर पे झुका हूँ, मिटा हूँ, बना हूँ.
तेरे दर पे झुका हूँ, मिटा हूँ, बना हूँ.
मरम्मत मुकद्दर की कर दो मौला.
मरम्मत मुकद्दर के कर दो मौला.
जो भी तेरे दर आया, झुकने जो सर आया, मस्तियाँ पिए सबको झूमता नजर आया.
जो भी तेरे दर आया, झुकने जो सर आया, मस्तियाँ पिए सबको झूमता नजर आया.
प्यास लेके आया था दरिया वो भर लाया, नूर की बारिश में भीगता सतर आया.
नूर की बारिश में हो, नूर की बारिश में भीगता सतर आया.
मौला 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 मेरे मौला.
मौला 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 मेरे मौला.
मौला 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 मौला. दरारे दरारे हैं माथे पे मौला, मरम्मत मुकद्दर की कर दो मौला मेरे मौला. टूट के बिखरना मुझको जरूर आता है.
ओ टूट के बिखरना मुझको जरूर आता है.
वरना इबादत
वाला शऊर आता है।
करने में रहने दो, अब कहीं ना जाऊंगा।
सजदे में रहने दो, अब कहीं ना जाऊंगा। अब जो तुमने ठुकराया वो सवर न पाऊंगा। मौला 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 मेरे मौला। मौला 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 मौला। दरारे दरारे है माथे पे मौला, मरम्मत मुकद्दर की कर दो मौला मेरे मौला। मोरा पिया घर आया, 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 मोरा पिया घर आया। मौला 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 मेरे मौला। मौला 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 मौला। दरारे दरारे है माथे पे मौला, मरम्मत मुकद्दर की कर दो मौला मेरे मौला। मेरे मौला मेरे मौला।
The next song is by Amir Khusro. मन कुंतो मौला। Whoever accepts me as master, declaring Hazrat Ali as the guide, leader and spiritual protector of the believers. हजार जाने गिरामी फिदा बनाने अली मौला आफलाक से लाई जाती है। आफलाक से लाई जाती है। सीनों में छुपाई जाती है। तौहीद की मैं सागर से नहीं आँखों से पिलाई जाती है। माला माला जिसने देखा मर ही गया। तेरी चश्मे निगाह में है जादू जादू। गैर का धोखा मुझको न दे, तुझ में मैं और मुझ में तू। मुझ में तू। मन कुंतो मौला अली, मन कुंतो मौला अली, मन कुंतो मौला
अली
मन कुंतो मौला। गरे गप रे गरे सनी मन कुंतो मौला अली, मन कुंतो मौला अली। गिरे गम पम मनि पम प गम प, मन कुंतो
मौला अली,
मन कुंतो जसूस में खो गया हूँ मैं। इस तलाश जसूस में खो गया हूँ मैं। जो मैं नहीं हूँ तुम क्यों हो, जो हूँ तो क्या हूँ मैं। one, written by the Punjabi saint, Sufi saint poet Bulle Shah. He was a Punjabi Sufi poet around 800 years ago. He was a mystic and a philosopher. He challenged the religious orthodoxy and he believed in self-discovery. The song is Bulla ki jana main kaun. How does Bulla know who he is? Who he truly is, really is, right? He believed in self-discovery, discovery of the soul, and also practiced Sufi poetry in Punjabi. His verses are called Kafi, popular in Sindh and Punjabi poetry.
बुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन, 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 बुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन। ना मैं मोमन विच मसीता, ना मैं विच कुफर दिया रीता, ना मैं पाता विच पलीता, ना मैं अंदर बैठ किताबा, ना मैं रहिंदा बंग शराबा, ना मैं रहिंदा मस्त किताबा, ना मैं शादी ना घबना की, ना मैं चीनी विच पाकी, ना मैं दानी आतिश न पौं। बुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन, बुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन, बुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन, बुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन। ना मैं अरबी ना लाहौरी, ना मैं हिंदी द्वार नगौरी, ना हिंदू न तुर्क पशौरी, ना मैं बैठ मजहब था पाया, ना मैं आदम हवा जाया, ना कोई नाम नाम धराया, अव्वल आखिर आप नू जाना, ना कोई दूजा होर पछाना, मैं तो कोई होर सियाना। बुल्ला शाह खड़ा है कौन, बुल्ला की जाना मैं 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 कौन। ना मैं मूसा ना फरौन, ना मैं जागना बिच सौन, ना मैं आतिश ना मैं पौन, ना मैं रहिंदा विच नदौन, ना मैं बैठन विच यूं भुल्ला सा खड़ा है कौन, भुल्ला की जाना मैं 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 भुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन।
Next, we have a ghazal. Ghazal also came around the same time. One of the most beloved forms of musical and literary expression is ghazal in South Asia. It's a form of lyric poetry, often dealing with themes of love. Gauri Shankar is going to present a modern ghazal sung by Anup Jalota.
I think I would have excited you quite a bit by the dholak so far. So I'll try to quieten you down with this songs than all the qawwali type that you have heard so far.
Yes.
We'll again pick up the qawwalis, but in between to calm you down a little. तेरी गली से हम जो अचानक गुजर गए, तेरी गली से हम जो अचानक गुजर गए, जो जख्म भर चले थे, जो जख्म भर चले थे, वो फिर से उभर गए, तेरी गली से हम जो अचानक गुजर गए। वो क्या हमारा साथ कड़ी धूप में देंगे, वो क्या हमारा साथ कड़ी धूप में देंगे, जो चांदनी में अपने ही साए से डर गए, जो चांदनी में अपने ही साए से डर गए, जो जख्म भर चले थे, वो फिर से उभर गए, तेरी गली से हम जो अचानक गुजर गए।
अशकों ने रख लिया है तेरे प्यार का भरम, अशकों ने रख लिया है तेरे प्यार का भरम। दामन पे आ रहे थे मगर फिर ठहर गए, जो जख्म भर चले थे वो फिर से उभर गए। तेरी गली से हम जो अचानक गुजर गए। वो जुर्म जिसने दोनों बराबर के थे शरीक, वो जुर्म जिसमें दोनों बराबर के थे शरीक, इल्जाम जितने थे वो हमारे ही सर गए, जो जख्म भर चले थे, जो जख्म भर चले थे वो फिर से उभर गए। तेरी गली से हम जो अचानक गुजर गए, अचानक गुजर गए, अचानक गुजर गए।
The fusion of Sufi traditions with rock music originally emerged in Pakistan. And now we see in India, Bollywood is also blending traditional sounds with modern instrumentation, complementing contemporary popularity. Bollywood and global music scenes continue to feature Sufi music performed everywhere. The next one is also a very popular one, a beautiful one. The name of this song is Sajda.
रोम रोम तेरा नाम पुकारे, एक हुए दिन रैन हमारे, हमसे हम ही छिन गए हैं, जब से देखे नैन तिहारे। सजदा तेरी काली अखियों से जिंद मेरी जागे, धड़कन से तेज दौड़ूं सपनों से आगे। अब जान लूट जाए ये जहां छूट जाए संग, प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं। सजदा तेरा सजदा दिन रैन करूं नहीं चैन करूं। जान लूट जाए ये जहां छूट जाए संग प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं
सजदा तेरा सजदा तेरा सजदा
दिन रैन करूं नहीं चैन करूं
सजदा तेरा सजदा मैं तेरा सजदा
लखवार करूं मेरी जान करूं रांझना नैनों के तीर चल गए साजना सांसों से दिल सिल गए पलकों में छुपा लूं
सजदा करूं
सीने में समा लूं
चैन करूं
पलकों में छुपा लूं सीने में समा लूं तेरे अंग अंग रंग मेरा बोले हो अब जान लूट जाए ये जहां छूट जाए संग प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं
सजदा तेरा सजदा तेरा सजदा
दिन रैन करूं नहीं चैन करूं
सजदा
तेरा सजदा
तेरा सजदा
लगवार करूं मेरी जान करूं बेलिया क्या हुआ जो दिल खो गया माहिया इश्क में खुदा मिल गया जरा आँख से पिला दे
सजदा करूं
जरा ख्वाब सजा दे
रैन करूं
जरा आँख से पिला दे जरा ख्वाब सजा दे मेरे होठ पे मन तेरा बोले हो अब जान लूट जाए ये जहां छूट जाए संग प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं
सजदा तेरा सजदा दिन रैन करूं
नहीं चैन करूं
सजदा तेरा सजदा तेरा सजदा
लखवार करूं मेरी जान करूं ओ तेरी काली अखियों से
जिंद मेरी जागे
ओ धड़कन से तेज दौड़ूं
सपनों से आगे
ओ अब जान लूट जाए ये जहां छूट जाए संग प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं
सजदा तेरा सजदा दिन रैन करूं नहीं चैन करूं
सजदा
तेरा सजदा लखवार करूं
सजदा
मेरी जान करूं सजदा
सजदा
दिन रैन करूं
सजदा
मेरी जान
तेरा सजदा सजदा तेरा सजदा
Now Lakshmi is going to present our Kabir Das ji. He is also known to be a mystic Sufi poet. He was between 14th and 15th century. We all know him as a very famous, renowned saint. But he was also, those of you who have been reading or studying, rather I should say, researching, his writings are worth really going deep into. He was a social reformer. His message of love and tolerance spread widely. He believed in one single consciousness, one single God, of course with many names and forms, who is pure, omniscient, all-powerful, and saw that we must have harmony, equality in the society. And he always used to say that we must transcend beyond the boundaries of religion. And so far as devotion was concerned, he used to say that without devotion to God, our life is nothing but a cipher. Lakshmi is going to present a few dohas by Abida Parveen that she has sung.
मन लागो यार फकीरी में, मन लागो यार फकीरी में, मन लागो मन लागो यार फकीरी में, मन लागो यार फकीरी में। मन
कहाँ समाए। प्रीत जो लागी लागी, प्रीत जो लागी लागी लागी, घुल गई सिच गई मन माई,
two more songs after the Kabir. This one is a bhajan that I was talking to you about, written by Jamaluddin Ahmad Khan, who was a Sufi poet. His pen name was Hilm, and he is the one who has written many thumris and bhajans and also ghazals. And this bhajan is a very famous one for its profound expression of love for Sri Krishna. So I absolutely was very deeply, I was surprised and very deeply impressed by this Sufi andaz, from Nirgun to Sagun. Therefore, we chose to sing this song. Arjita and I, we both are singing this song, but the words are very beautiful. I'll just speak the first two lines. It's say by some Gopika or even Radha, whoever, says, "O Kanhaiya, yaad hai kuch bhi hamari." Do you remember anything? Zara bolo Kanhaiya, do you remember me at all? Now the second line is absolutely killing those of you who understand Hindi. कहूँ क्या तेरे भूलने के मैं वारी. मैं क्या बताऊँ? The fact that you can forget me, I surrender myself to that. I, who have no one other than you in my life, you can afford to forget me. Beautiful. Kanhaiya, yaad hai kuch bhi hamari. It's in a slow pace on the whole, much slower than the songs. And after that, we have a Zabardast Qawwali, beautiful one, to finish with a Punjabi one, a lovely one, absolutely. These scales are so high for me, I can't sing these days.
याद मुझे याद है वो जरा जरा, तुम्हें याद हो कि न याद हो। याद है कुछ भी हमारी कन्हैया, याद है कुछ भी हमारी। कहूँ क्या
this one is a real good one, you know. This Qawwali is written by Baba Shah Hussain in the 16th century. This is one of the best Sufi kalams. These are short lyrical poems on themes of self-realization. Look at these beautiful words. Man atkya beparwa de naal. Man atak gaya. My mind is entangled. Where is it entangled? With the beparwa. Who is the beparwa? It is the Supreme Divine. Right? It is the entanglement with the Creator resonating. Actually, it is resonating the message of Guru Nanak Ji of oneness of God, annihilating the ego, of course. And this is our concluding item. Thank you.
अटकिया बेपरवाह दे नाल मन अटकिया बेपरवाह दे नाल मन अटकिया बेपरवाह दे नाल उस दीन दुनी दे शाह दे नाल ओ दीन दुनी दे शाह दे नाल कहे हुसैन फकीर नुमाना तीवन खाक दवारे दे मन अटके आपे परवाह दे नाल मन अटके आपे परवाह दे नाल अटके आपे परवाह दे नाल खाना कीता कौल जरूरी जाना कीता कौल जरूरी जाना मिन्नता करा मैं मला दे नाल मिन्नता करा मैं मला दे नाल मन हट गया बेपरवाह दे नाल मन हट गया बेपरवाह दे नाल मन हट गया बेपरवाह दे नाल उस दीन दुनी दे शाह दे नाल ओ दीन दुनी दे शाह दे नाल मन हट गया बेपरवाह दे नाल मन हट गया बेपरवाह दे नाल बेपरवाह 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 दे नाल मन हट गया बेपरवाह दे नाल पद सरे ग रे सनि सरे सनि धनि प पद म प ग रे सरे म प मन हट गया बेपरवाह दे नाल ग रे सारे सनि सनि धनि ध प ग रे सारे सनि सनि धनि ध प ग रे सारे सनि सनि धनि ध प मन हट गया बेपरवाह दे नाल मन हट गया बेपरवाह दे नाल बेपरवाह दे नाल बेपरवाह दे नाल
Thank you all so much.
I'm speechless. मन अटकया बेपरवाह दे नाल इस उस दीन दुनी दे शाह दे नाल.
शाह दे नाल.
Transcendent and immanent divine both. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for just making this evening such a soulful prayer, and I don't know what to say now, except that the last, everything was so beautiful. The selections from Kabir's vast poem to, kalams from Khusro, Qawwalis, the ghazal, everything. But particularly the last two numbers, especially Deepshikha Didi, thank you so much for keeping my request of Kanhaiya. Thank you so much, from Bulle Shah's number to everything.